Medicare versus Medicaid. There are 10 million people, probably over that now, that have both Medicare and Medicaid. Medicaid is for low income assistance for people under 65 that need health care and financial help. Medicare is health care, which is typically for people 65 or older, but it's also for people under 65 that you qualify for Medicare due to disability, qualifying for Social Security disability. So you could be in your 30s, 40s, or 50s and be on Medicare. So let's talk about the people that are on Medicaid. They're 64 and they're getting ready to turn 65. Do you have to sign up for Medicare? So the answer is no. Legally, it's not required. But in reality, yes, you need to sign up for Medicare. Now you're saying, why would I want Medicare if I already have Medicaid and I already don't pay to see the doctor and I have very low costs? Medicare is going to give you some extra benefits. So you want Medicare and Medicaid. Now this makes it even more complicated. You can get private Medicare Advantage plans, not everywhere, but if it's available in your county, that wrap around Medicare and Medicaid. So private insurance, again, no additional cost. Your Medicare would have no additional cost. And it would give you some more extra benefits that wrap around your Medicare and Medicaid that you're currently not getting. So I go into this and all topics Medicare in more detail in my book, Medicare Mama's Guide to Medicare and Social Security Retirement. Just go to Amazon, type in Medicare Mama, M-A-M-A, if you want to learn more about this or any of the other topics that I'm going into. So Medicaid is typically for low income. You have to qualify for it based on your income and your assets. The only state that doesn't have an asset test as of January 1st, 2025 is California. The rest of the states, they're going to say, okay, some assets we're not going to look at. Typically, they disregard your house. Some states will look at the value of your house, but most just say one house, disregard. Most say one car, disregard. Then they want to look at the other assets. So how much do you have in your savings account? CDs, stocks, 401k, pension. So typically, anything over $10,000 and you're not eligible for Medicaid. Now you can go, and there's different levels of Medicaid, and you can apply for Medicaid. That's at the state level. Medicaid is a joint program between your state and the federal government. So go to your state, type in your state Medicaid, you can apply right there. You'll see the income and the asset limits for the different levels of Medicaid. I will tell you that some people are not getting Medicaid because they have one bank CD that they inherited from their dad that they're keeping for a rainy day that's putting them above the asset test. So remodel your bathroom, get a better car, prepay your funeral. There's things you can do so that you can spend down and get to the Medicaid level so you can get assistance. And Medicaid then will pay for your Part B. Again, there's different levels of Medicaid. If you have full Medicaid, it pays for all of your Part B costs. So you're not paying to add Medicare, and you're not paying to add Medicare Advantage around it to get the maximum number of benefits. When you see a doctor, your doctor needs to accept Medicaid. They get paid the least amount of money for a Medicaid recipient, so it's harder and harder to get doctors that do accept Medicaid. So you might have to struggle finding a doctor that accepts Medicaid. With Medicare Advantage, you have to also find a doctor that accepts your Medicare Advantage plan. But again, you're going to work with that particular plan to see what doctors are in and out of that network. So Medicare, healthcare. Medicaid is typically financial. So you can be a retiree, 65 or older, in healthcare, and getting some assistance based on your income. It's called Medicare, Medicaid. Also called dual eligibles. That's when I reference the special type of Medicare Advantage plan. There's plans for dual eligibles. So if you have more questions about Medicare and Medicaid, how they work together, if you're getting on Medicaid and you're getting ready to sign up for Medicare, email us. Our email is hello at themedicarefamily.com. We're here to help. We're licensed in all 50 states. Our help is free because we're paid as independent contractors by the individual insurance companies. We're not affiliated with the federal government. We're a third-generation family business. So find us at themedicarefamily.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.